everything about her, her shoes, like her whole outfit, she's edges on her match up perfectly. This is the one that MGA sent. Match up perfectly. This is probably the best I'm gonna get as far as her edges matching up. Let me see if I can get this stand out, y'all, while she chills right here. I am, like I said, we are just so grateful and blessed to MGA. Don't you just love them for sending us this fire sample? Like, flawless. I'm gonna think that I have the best Phaedra, hands down. Like, can't nobody tell me nothing. Let's see if we can get this. Comes with this fire bag, okay? That's and a towel and some sunglasses. And I'm gonna tell you, friends, when I first seen pictures of her, I was so intrigued by this bag. The fact that the bag matches the dye job. Come on, come through. Who you know's hair matches their bag, okay? I'll wait. So we can show y'all what's going on. So she comes with 2 extra legs if you want her to have flat feet.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that.
You want to see them? Yep, she comes with 2. So because feet,
one's for the heels and one's for like barefoot.
Correct.
That's cool. I like this.
Yeah, my helper is so smart. But yeah, so let me see. Cause this stand is on fire. Like this pretty pink. It's like a pinkish. It's more of a magenta pink. But y'all know Fluffy likes all pinks, okay? All the pinks. Let's get into it. Put her on this stand so she can stand and be cute. She really don't need it though. Like she's good. My girl is good, okay? My girl is beautiful and good. Like, accessories on point. Let's get into some of these accessories. So here's her towel, friends. Very pretty. Right, very pretty, very luxurious, okay? Malibu with the palm trees, okay? Palm trees are our thing if you haven't noticed. Here's her bag. Oh, isn't this so pretty? Like, they did a good job. Here is her comb, okay? Beautiful magenta comb to match her stand, her magenta sparkly stand. I'm not over this bag. Let's get into her swimsuit. She has a sarong that comes off, right? And then her swimsuit is a one piece. The back is open, okay? So you get the feel of having a bikini without having a bikini. And I love that. A monokini, if you will. That's what I call mine. My swimsuits like this, yeah, we call that a monokini. Her scrunchies are to die for. They have R's all over them, okay? Come through Rainbow High with the logo. It's just, she is flawless to me. She is flawless. I think for all that you come with, this is a great deal. This is a great deal for all that you come with. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what. She's giving me, take me to the Maldives. That's what she's telling me. She's telling me to take her to the Maldives. She's telling me to take her to Puerto Rico. Okay, don't worry, friends. Helper is taking off her shoes.
Should I take her to some?
Yeah. Helper is taking off her shoes. Hold on, I can't see you doing that. But anyway, she's taking off her stuff so she can put her in the pool. Okay, go ahead. Phaedra's having a dip in the pool. Watch my hair, girl, because I just got this hair done, okay? Tay charged me $1,000 for this dye job. Y'all, you better watch my hair. All right. Ooh. And she's in the pool. Nice. She's dipping her feet in the pool water, okay? She's having fun in the pool, as she should, okay? She deserves she got her much-needed vacation. Thank you so much to MGA. We really appreciate the gifts. Do you really like it?
Yes, I really do. I like the pool.
You like the pool? Yes. We really appreciate all these gifts. And so we have more packages from MGA. They were so nice to bless us with more than one package. So stay tuned. Today we have the Rainbow High Color Change Pool and Beach Club. Look at it. We're about to put it together and show you everything you need to know about this pool. Okay, friends? Okay, friends, here we are. We have the pool set up, the pool/beach club. This is a play set available on Amazon that we purchased ourselves. Okay, this was not a gift from MGA, but when I saw that MGA had sent us a package, and when I peeked in the package and saw what it was, I knew I had to get the matching play set. Okay, look at this. Okay, the palm trees are glitterified, iced out. Okay, perfect for me, perfect for Fluffy Tree. Okay, the pool. Okay, you get drinks, you get a whole bar scene right here. Like, you get steps. The pool also changes colors. I needed to show you exactly what you were getting with the Pacific Coast Beach Club pool set. Okay, friends? And here's our finished product, friends. We got the glitterized, iced out palm trees. We got Phaedra chilling. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, we got the deck. Y'all know I love this. This is my favorite part. This little umbrella thing. And the way like you can make it go up and down. And the pool deck. And let me show you guys and turn off all the lights and show everybody the color change to the blue. So cute. Let's go, Faye Faye. Isn't that cool? Red. I guess it's supposed to be like a bluish. You can just keep pushing. So you get like a dark blue. Oh, beautiful. Here we go. We're gonna watch it change on its own. Isn't that cool? I just think that that's adorable. Just watching it. I sit here sometimes and I relax and I meditate. I just watch this thing change. Isn't that lovely? Now let's turn back on the lights, friends. Ah, beautiful. Okay? Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful work, MGA. Beautiful work, designers. Again, thank you so much for sending us this free Phaedra. She is beautiful. And you guys can get the color change beach club and pool set from Rainbow High on Amazon. We will leave the link below. Thank you so much. See you next time, friends, in part 3.